Safety managers are challenged more than ever with protecting workers in multi-hazard environments. The 91 series of protective gloves from Black Stallion makes choosing the right glove as easy as 1, 2, 3. It's one great glove style, available with 3 levels of protection. The namesake of the 91 series is the classic 91 driver's glove. The 91 is constructed of premium grain cowhide leather. Premium grain cowhide offers the right balance of performance and value. It is tough and durable, but breaks in easily for a soft feel. The Classic 91 is designed for work in transportation, heavy machine operation, material handling, and general industrial. The 91 CR driver's glove offers all the performance of the Classic 91 with the addition of a cut-resistant liner, incorporating high-strength synthetic yarns, para-aramid thread, and stainless steel fibers. The 91 CR is ANSI 105 certified to cut level A6, and it is NFPA 70E certified to PPE Category 4. The 91 CR is recommended for work in glass and material handling, metal fabrication, construction, electrical utility, and transportation. The 91 CRI is a true multi-hazard protection glove. The 91 CRI includes all the performance features, including A6 cut protection and Category 4 arc flash protection of the 91 CR with the addition of TPR impact resistance. Thermoplastic rubber pads protect the back of the hand and all fingers from common job site knocks, bumps, and other impacts. Vertical and horizontal flex points on the TPR pads provide flexibility and dexterity while maintaining impact resistance. With high hazard cut protection, impact resistance, and arc flash protection, the 91 CRI is ideal for work in oil and gas, metal stamping and fabrication, glass and window manufacturing, electrical utility, construction, recycling, demolition and salvage, and other related industries. With the 91, 91 CR, and 91 CRI, Black Stallion makes choosing the right glove for the job as easy as 1, 2, 3. Order today.